retired person, Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Himachal Pradesh. At this time, I am 63-year-old and I have just few months before ago, I have joined Victor's Life Sciences. And it is my first time for international tour. I am thankful to Victor's Life Sciences deeply, thoroughly, and thankful to Sri Arjun Thakur, my mentor, Sri Kuldeep Sarji, and Sri Narendra Sarji. Therefore, once again, I am thankful all of my daughter and minister. Thank you very much. Thank you, Victor's Life Sciences. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, give me a big round of applause. We have achievers from all parts of India, right? We have achievers from Himachal also. Now, important, okay.